Good day, I'm Marianne D. Habalita, BT Garments 1B. Patterns and numbers in nature and the world. Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world and can also be seen in the universe. Patterns defined as regular, repeated, recurring forms or designs. Symmetry pattern are a design or pattern that is identical on both halves when folded. Spiral pattern defined as a curved pattern that focuses on a certain point and a series of circular shapes that revolve around it. Fractal is a never-ending pattern. Tessellation is a pattern of shape that fit perfectly together without any gaps.